Today I'm going to show you guys how to wire the lights around your flagpole. I get a lot of requests for this video. This is going to be video number 2 on me touching base with this. Yeah, every year we're going to just get better and better, okay? So bear with me as I explain to you how I do my lights. So we're going to do this flagpole as if we are doing one of the stars that you purchased at daisychain.com. And let's just go ahead and start. So this is your extension cord coming from the house, and this is your flagpole. So what I like to do is when I lay my lights out, I start with my male end here of the extension cord. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw it out. How about that? This is gonna be our light strand. So for our LEDs, incandescents, whatever you're using, it's all gonna be the same. So you're gonna have your male end there, okay? It's like this. And then over here, you're gonna have your female end. Okay, so male and female, right? Male and female. So you're going to begin with your male, and then here's going to be your female. Okay, and then strand number 2, you're going to begin with your male, like so. And then guess what? Your male plugs in to your female. Okay, you're going to repeat this process over and over again. I like to do, let's see, 4 of them. We'll say we got 4 here, and then I'll stop. Okay, I'll stop here, and this right here should be a female, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that process for this other side of the flagpole. We're gonna begin with a male. This will be light number 1. Actually, let's go ahead and number these. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then we'll say this is side A. Okay. And then we're gonna start, let's say side B over here. So we got B, and then 1. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead, and this is gonna be our female, right? So then we're gonna go ahead and run our 2nd strand, 3rd strand, and then our 4th strand. Okay, then this right here would be B2, B3, and then B4. Okay, and we're gonna repeat the process over here just like we did over here, starting with our male, ending with our female, beginning with our male, ending with a female, beginning male, female. You get it all the way around. So now you're wondering, okay, I do that. How do I get power to the top of my flagpole? Well, I'm going to show you. You're going to do 2 33-foot LED strands. Okay? And you're going to plug them together. And where you plug them together at, which is going to be plugged together like this. So you're going to have, your first strand and then your 2nd strand. And where they plug together at the top here, at your flagpole, it's gonna give you a plug-in for your star. Your star will be able to plug into that. The other end of this LED light strand will be down here, plugged into your extension cord, right? And then the female end will just end down here somewhere. And just run right over the pole, just like that. That's how simple it is. It took me, a couple years to really get this fine-tuned to this right here, but this is the best application that I found to not have any voltage drop to where you have LEDs that are real dim on one end. Yeah, so this is it. That is how I lay my lights out. And if you guys have any questions, you can comment below. You can also go on the website and chat. I get chats personally. I answer every chat, and yeah, so this year, this thing is strong. I've had one on the pole since July last year, and it is still strong as can be. I can actually put it on the ground, stand on it, and it's strong. I'm 180 pounds. So these are available now on the website. They also fit on 2-inch PVC or 1-inch PVC. So you can make smaller trees if you want. And yeah, there you go. Flagpole Christmas tree magic, available at daisychain.com.